Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the GeoData add-on. First, open your MyGeo application on your smartphone, ensuring you are logged into your account. Navigate directly to the mobile section, which you can easily locate at the bottom of your screen. This primary area is specifically designed for you to manage all aspects of your mobile account, including purchasing additional data plans whenever you need them. Once in the mobile section, find and tap on the Recharge option, then select Data Add-on from the subsequent menu. Here, you will see a variety of data add-on packs, offering different amounts of data, like 1 gigabyte or perhaps 10 gigabytes. Carefully review the details of each pack, including its price and validity period, before making your selection to proceed. After you have chosen your preferred data add-on, you will be directed to the payment gateway. MyGeo supports multiple secure payment methods, including popular options like UPI, net banking, and your saved debit or credit cards. Complete the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. A confirmation message will appear, and your additional data will be activated on your number within a few moments, ready for immediate use. To keep an eye on your new data, simply return to the mobile section of the MyGeo app, where your updated data balance will be prominently displayed. Remember that data add-ons usually have a specific validity period, or they remain active until your primary plan expires, whichever comes first. If you encounter any difficulties or have further inquiries, feel free to reach out to Geo customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.